In 2025, the battle of the AI giants is heating up, and two names dominate the scene. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, and Gemini, the newest evolution from Google. These tools are not just digital assistants anymore. They're becoming your writing partner, coding companion, research assistant, and business sidekick. But the question is, which one actually delivers better value, speed, and utility for your daily tasks? In this video, we'll compare ChatGPT and Gemini across 5 key areas: speed, accuracy, features, pricing, and use cases. By the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for you, or whether it's smart to use both. Speed and responsiveness. Let's start with speed. ChatGPT 4.0, the latest version, is lightning fast, especially when generating long-form content, stories, scripts, or code. It responds almost instantly and rarely lags. Gemini is no slouch either. It's fast when used in Google Search or Gemini's standalone app. But inside Google Docs or Gmail, there's often a slight delay, especially on slower networks or mobile. If raw response time matters, say you're brainstorming content ideas on the go, ChatGPT wins this round with ease. Accuracy and real-time knowledge. What about accuracy and current information? ChatGPT is trained on data up to late 2023. With GPT 4.0 and a paid plan, it can also browse the internet to pull in real-time facts. But Gemini has a native edge, because it's directly tied to Google Search. If you ask Gemini for today's headlines, sports results, or trending news, it often responds faster and more reliably. That said, ChatGPT tends to explain things more clearly and generate deeper insights when you need detailed breakdowns or structured content. So for current info, Gemini wins. For deep dive explanations, ChatGPT stays ahead. Features and integrations. Now let's talk features and integrations. Gemini is tightly built into Google Workspace. You can write emails, create summaries, and even analyze Google Sheets directly inside Gmail or Docs. ChatGPT has gone a different route, focusing on advanced tools like memory, custom instructions, code interpreter, and third-party plugins. This makes it incredibly powerful for developers, marketers, analysts, and researchers. Want to run Python code, analyze a dataset, build a website using just text prompts? ChatGPT has you covered. So if you're in a productivity ecosystem, Gemini is convenient. But for creative and technical power, ChatGPT is unmatched. Pricing. $324. Let's be real, pricing matters. Both tools offer free versions with decent features. But for full power, ChatGPT Plus costs around $20 a month and gives access to GPT 4.0, voice input, file uploads, vision features, and memory. Gemini Advanced also costs $20 a month, unlocking Gemini 1.5 Pro, better integrations, and larger context limits. In India, that's roughly $650 a month, so pricing is almost identical, and both are absolutely worth it depending on your use case. Use cases 4 now are 5. So which AI is better for which user? Let's break it down. If you're a content creator, scriptwriter, or coder, ChatGPT gives you better creative tools, formatting, and flexibility. If you're a student, office worker, or business manager, Gemini helps you stay inside Google Workspace and speeds up your workflow. For email replies, data analysis, summarizing meetings, Gemini is more integrated. For YouTube scripts, business ideas, storytelling, automation, ChatGPT performs better. There's no one-size-fits-all. Your workflow decides your winner. Conclusion, 5 traits. So, which AI assistant should you choose in 2025? If you want creativity, coding power, content generation, and AI automation, go with ChatGPT. If you live in Google's ecosystem, use Gmail, Docs, and want fast access to real-time data, Gemini is your friend. Or do what I do. Use both depending on the task. One isn't better than the other. They're just better at different things. Like this video? Subscribe for more AI comparisons, tech tips, and tool reviews right here on Toolgenixx.